Let us see in this video how to create a bank receipt voucher against a customer sales order. A bank receipt voucher against customer sales order is used to record advance payments received from customer for a sales order. It helps link the received bank amount to the specific sales order so that the advance can be adjusted during future billing. Let us take one example. Bank, State Bank of India, customer name, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, payment mode, check, sale order number SORD 2526000003, amount 56,000 rupees, GL account, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited AR. This slide shows the bank receipt voucher workflow approval process, which consists of two-level, reviewing and approving. First, after entries are made by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor has reviewed the document, it will be forwarded to the manager, who has the authority to approve it. The manager will then review and approve the document. This is how the workflow functions. Let us log in with the creator's username and password to create the bank receipt voucher against the customer sale order. Click the Login button, click Financials, then Transaction. Click on Payment and Receipt, navigating to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click the Pending DR Documents button. The Pending DR Documents button is used to view all pending debit-related documents that are awaiting receipt or adjustment. Click the Pending Receivable Advance button. Click the Pending Receivable Advance button to open the Pending Customer Advance screen, where all advance amounts received from customers and still unadjusted against any sale order are displayed. Select the document and click the Create button. Clicking the Create button provides two options, Single and Merge. Single is used to create a receipt for a single party. This option is selected when the receipt transaction belongs to one customer only. Merge is used to create one combined receipt for multiple parties using a single check transaction. In the type, there are two options, Bank and Cash. Choose the Bank option. In the Mode field, the available methods of receipt are check and DD, RTGS, NEFT, and TT transfer. Check and DD is a written order to the bank to pay a specific amount from the user account to a recipient. RTGS is a fast real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. NEFT is a system to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. TT transfer is an electronic transfer of money often used for international receipts. Choose the receipt date through the Date calendar. Choose the bank in the Bank or Cash field. Click OK. The bank receipt voucher document will be generated. Bank account number, bank voucher prefix, voucher number, voucher date, check receipt mode, and reference date will be updated. Enter the check number or reference number manually. Click the Save button. If any account is missed, it can be added through Get Document. If any document is missed, click the Add button in the Line section. Click on Pending Receivables Advance, then select and add the pending document for the party. To view the selected document, click the View button. If needed, a document can be deleted, or the amount can be changed, but it cannot exceed the original document value. Click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal has been created. To review the journal, click the View Journal button. Bank account will be debited. Party account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigate to the reviewer's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigate to the manager's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.